What up, guys? Today we're doing another painting. This time we're doing a Daffy Duck smoking a cigar with some money. So yeah, let's get into it and let's see how it's done. So to start off, we're going to get our reference image, which is something I just got from the internet, and I kind of just printed it out in the shape of I wanted it. So now I'm going to sketch it real quick, and yeah.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
So first to start, I'm going to do all the base colors. So I'm going to do all the greens and the blacks and the oranges first to kind of get a good look of what I'm doing before I get into the detail. So yeah.
Liftoff and the clock has started. Quality base here. The Eagle has landed.
Alright, now I'm going to show you guys the details. We're going to go through the thin lines, through the outline and all that right now. So yeah, let's get into it. And we're finally done. So thank you guys for watching. And I'm going to show you guys the final product. If you guys need anything customs or any artwork, please check out my IG at Kicks of Chicago. Thank you. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow.